doing?
I'm sorry, Miss Large. I'm just trying to match all these numbers to the pictures.
Okay, well, you should be really good at that the other day because Henrietta, you were here with us while I was teaching you how to touch count. And then you were doing your virtual learning, and you were definitely with me last week when I taught you how to write all these numbers.
Oh,
So, do you need a review, Henrietta?
yes.
Okay, so you need a review of how to write all the numbers.
Yes, I'm really good at touch counting, but I forget what the numbers look like.
Okay, well, some of your friends, the kindergartners at home, they might have that same problem. So let me show you how to write the numbers again. And Henrietta, really important, eyes on, ears listening, mouth quiet, no more of that. No, it's giving me a headache now. Watch the numbers, listen to the number poems. Because boys and girls, Henrietta, these poems will help you recognize the numbers as well as know how to write them in math today. Henrietta and all my kindergartners at home, kings and queens of math, in math today, we will identify and match and write numbers to go with sets of objects. Here's the first number you need to know, boys and girls. Whenever we count, we start with the number 1. Everybody say 1. Pop me one finger. And here's how you write it, Henrietta and my boys and girls. Straight line down can be fun. That's how you write the number 1. Whoa, Henrietta, don't bite my math work. Eyes on, mouth quiet, and mouth zipped. No biting or chewing food. Remember, boys and girls, start at the top when you write that number 1. After the number 1 comes the number 2. The number 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Number 2 goes around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Like this. Start at the top. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Here you go. Railroad track, Henrietta. Railroad track on the number 2. After the number 2 comes the number 3. What did you, Henrietta, what did you say? Around the tree, around the tree. You're right, Henrietta. Around the tree, around the tree, around the tree, around the tree. That's how you make the number 3. Good job, Henrietta. I'm so proud of you. Start at the top again, boys and girls. Around the tree, around the tree. That's how you write the number 3. After 3 comes 4, 4. And Mr. Bennett taught you, boys and girls, that a 4 goes down and over, down some more. That's how you make the number. Henrietta, stop biting my numbers. 4. Down and over, down some more. So down, over, jump up to the top, down some more. That's how you write the number 4. Pop 4, 4. And after 4 comes 5. It's a high 5. It's a high 5. That's how old almost all of you are in kindergarten. A 5 goes down and around with a big fat belly. Jump to the top and fly. That's how you make the number 5. Down. Start at the top. Down and around with a big fat belly. Jump to the top and fly. That's how you write the number 5. Okay, Henrietta, do you think you're ready to do this again?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, Miss March. I definitely got this
Okay, I'll touch count the first set, and then you're going to find the number for me, because that's what we're practicing in math today. Matching a number with the group of objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many did I count, Henrietta?
4.
Good job. 4 was the last number I said. So now you have to find 4.
Nay.
Nay. What's wrong, Henrietta? You don't remember what the number 4 looks like? Come on. It's down. Tell them, boys and girls. Down and over. Down some more. Down and over. Henrietta, no. Down and over. This one doesn't even go down, so it can't be that one. Down and over. No, that one doesn't go over. Down and no, down some, no. Down and over, down some more. No, I got it. Down and over, down some more. That's how you make the number 4. Oh, you're hungry? Okay, go get a snack and then come back in a couple minutes. Get on your playlist and make sure you keep practicing matching numbers to sets.
Okay.
Bye, Henrietta. Bye, Henrietta. Boys and girls, that horse is crazy. She's so distracting, but let me show you how to do this without her, okay? Have my touch counting finger. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots. 3 is the last number I said. 3. How do I make a 3? What does that look like? 3, around a tree, around a tree. That's the one Henrietta knew. She said around the tree. That's probably because she eats all the grass from around the trees on the farm. Around the tree, around the tree, around. No. What is this thing up here? Looks like Henrietta started to erase or eat this thing up here, boys and girls. Let me fix that for you. This thing up here is another math tool. It's called a number line. It's a line with all the numbers in order. So if you forget the number poems, but you know you need to find the number 3, you can use the number line to help you. So I'm going to count and stop at the number 3. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Around the tree, around the tree. Now I know I need to find this match. Number 3. Around the tree, around the tree. I did it, I did it, I did it. All right, boys and girls, all by yourself. Count the stars for me. Ooh, Logan, I heard you counting loud and proud. Annalise, I heard you too. Let's see if I got the same number you got. 1, 2. Give me a thumbs up if you've counted 2 stars, boys and girls. 2 stars. Kaden, are you saying choo, 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 choo? Oh, because we need the number 2. 1, 2 stars. I need to find the number 2 and match it here. Whew, Kaden, you're on fire. Around and back on the railroad track. Around and back on the railroad. No, that one doesn't even go around. Around and back. No, that goes straight over. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. You were right, Kaden. It is around and back on the railroad track. And I can check it on my lumber line too, boys and girls. 1, 2. Yep, that's the number 2. Phew, you guys are so smart. All right, help me do the last one, boys and girls. Count these red dots for me. These red math counters. Go. How many did you count? Rylan, I see you going like this. Don't push. Oh, wait. Is this how many you think there is? I see a lot of boys and girls doing this now. Let me see. Let me touch count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 red math counters. Rylan was giving me a high 5 because there's 5 counters. Good job, boys and girls, if you were doing that. You got it right if there's 5. But we're not done yet. We got to find that number 5. Let me check my number line. I'm going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. It goes down and around with a big fat belly. Jump to the top and fly. Down and around. No, that one doesn't go around. Down and around with a big fat belly. Jump to the top and fly. That's how you make the number 5. There's my 5. Boys and girls, Henrietta and all of you at home helped me correctly match all the numbers to all of my groups of objects. That's what we're doing in math today. You can use the number poems to help you, or you can make a number line at home and use a number line to help you. Have fun in math today, boys and girls. I can't wait to see you live to practice more. Off you go, mathematicians.